Guys, welcome back now. Now we want to start the course. Now, we want to work with creating social media posts, and let's see how we can actually use one of the templates to actually get a social media post for Instagram. So we can just come up here to the menu and click on Home, and then you can come here to the search content and to the search bar, and then we can type let's say social media posts for Instagram, because we want to create an Instagram post. And firstly, you need to get an Canva account. It can be free, and you can also switch to Pro to get more abilities, tools to be able to work with a project once you're creating a template. So but you can actually start with the basics. Now you can see these are the Instagram posts. So we just need one. As I said, this is a pro. You need a pro account to be able to access this. I'm currently on the pro version, so that's why I can be able to access this. And I will look for like a basics one. So I need to scroll down. Which one can we go for? You need to find the one suitable to your project you're working on. So based on this is just for like a tutorial. I could actually work with something. Let me see. Okay, this one is good. So now once you select the one you want to use, you can actually click on customize icon, customize this template. So you click on the customize this template. It's going to take you to a page where you can actually customize. Now, as you can see, this is it. We just wait for it to load a little bit more. Okay, now this is the text. If you want to edit text, you just have to come click on it and then you edit. For example, I will leave it this way. Okay, yeah, I became a professional. I became an expert in social media marketing. Let's say I want this color to be red. I could just come here, then select this color picker from the document, scroll to the color I want. Okay, I think this one is more better. We leave it that way, and then you come back. It's selected already. Now I want this like drain now to be the background color to be this orange. I will just come, and then I need to select actually the okay. I could just uh okay. I think yeah. We just select, and then the hold on a minute. Yeah, I think effect, and then yeah. So we can change the color this way. As you can see, photo color or document color. Now this is the document color, and the photo color is, you can actually change photo color because it's from this. So first of all, I'm likely going to, yeah, this is it. And then I change it to black. So that's it. And this is for the icon. The image, how can we add image on Canva? We come on uploads, then we select image. Sorry, my pictures here. Okay, I could actually put a picture of myself, or yeah, click on, once you click, then you click on upload fly, and then to take you to where you can select the image you want to select, and then you upload, and then you can actually work with this. So yeah, that is for that. And then the icon, how do we, you can also get image for, you can also get image from um the element, yeah, from the element. So you can just search up what you want to use. Let's say I want to use art, it will come. So which of the art you want to use, you can select any one you want. We just use this, and then it comes to this, and then you can adjust it to any how you want, to your previous, to your liking. we just put something. We just take care of this and then put it out here, and then you can actually adjust the way you want it to be. So it's just, you can play around it. So that's just it. And then your name can come here. If you want your name today, you can put it there. You become an instructor, learn more and everything. So this is just how it works. And then yeah. So if you want any more, um I'm going to come up with another video of how we can actually make a design from scratch within Canva. Thank you for watching, and yeah, see you.